ng mga kakailian ko, this is our 10th Himala, started by our Senator Aimee, and thanks to you, of course, our Himala is bigger and better than ever.
Nakakapiling kayong lahat. Alam po ninyo, nag-umpisa ito sa biruan. Himala, pagkat si Nora Honor ay pumunta dito sa Sand Dunes ng Paway sa isang puno at biglang nagdeklara walang Himala.
Himala.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn.
Himala is an arts and music and culture celebration. Kaya sa inyong lahat, thank you for attending Himala.
Naragsak ka pa ng fiesta, mag-enjoy tayo. Alam ko, bukas meron na naman.
Different road, I'm in the Milky Way. You want me down on earth, but I am up in space. You're so damn hard to please. We gotta kill this switch. You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s bitch. I don't care. I love it. I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone.
12 years ago, we started this effort to bring tourists to Ilocos Norte. 12 years after, we are still celebrating.
Can we just for one night let the stars decide where we belong? Maybe heaven right now is a devil or angel away. That won't change. Together we vow that our colors will sparkle the fame. And I will find you. I will find you. I will reach you. I will lose my mind. Lose my mind. Lose my mind.
Natawagin na natin ang banda! Gusto natin lahat!
Lose my mind. Lose my
Ako po ang nanay ng Himala sa Buhangin at kayo ang tunay na mga milagro ng Ilocos Norte.
For tonight, I encourage you all to party as hard as you can. Bilang gobernador po ninyo, I give you full authority to party hard.
And